If you're looking for an oyster recipe that skips the hassle of shucking, don't worry, you've got options. Let's talk about pre-shucked oysters and how you can transform them into something that absolutely wows at dinner. First off, buying pre-shucked oysters is a game changer. They're usually sold in tubs and are incredibly convenient. Most people think you're giving up quality, but trust me, fresh pre-shucked oysters can still pack that juicy, briny punch. Are you wondering where to get these? Your local seafood market or even some grocery stores carry them. Just double-check the harvest date. Seafood this fresh is a ticking clock. You typically only have about 7 to 10 days before it's no good. All right, let's get to cooking. My go-to is a creamy oyster chowder. Start with a base of butter, onions, and celery in a pot. Your whole kitchen will smell like something you'd gladly pay $25 for in a restaurant. Toss in some garlic and thyme. Don't skip the thyme. This herb is subtle but plays beautifully with the saltiness of the oysters. Add diced potatoes for texture and let them simmer in chicken stock until tender. Now comes the part where it all comes together. Add in heavy cream. This takes the soup from okay to irresistible. Stir it gently because you don't want to crush those potatoes. This is about silky smoothness with a bit of bite. Finally, the star of the show, your pre-shucked oysters. Toss them in during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Overcooking is your biggest enemy here. Oysters get rubbery fast, and no one wants that. Serve it up with some fresh parsley sprinkled on top for color. Do yourself a favor and have a warm loaf of crusty bread on the side. That bread and that chowder, it's like they were made for each other. Pro tip, if chowder's not your thing, pre-shucked oysters work great for frying too. Just dredge them in seasoned flour and fry in hot oil until golden and crispy. Fried oysters and a cold beer? Enough said. Here's a pain point worth addressing. People are terrified of ruining oysters. They think they're finicky, but they're not. The trick is to handle them minimally. There's no need to overcomplicate what's already incredible. If you're serving these to friends or family, don't sweat it. Even the pickiest eaters tend to cave when faced with buttery chowder or delicately fried oysters. You'll be the rock star of the meal, guaranteed. And for my Portland people, you're surrounded by amazing Pacific Northwest oysters. Support local fishmongers. They'll have the freshest stuff every time. Plus, it feels good knowing your dinner didn't travel far to get to you. Local always tastes better.